NBA high IQ moments.
James puts up the three. Oh, it's good! LeBron James from downtown!
Simulan natin sa high IQ pass na ito ni Luka Doncic.
Oh my goodness, what a find by Luka through the legs.
Baka Luka Doncic yan. Pero mas nakakamangha ang ginawang nutmeg ni CP3 kay Zubac.
What a play he did! Chris Paul, is that right? CP3, stop it! Now you...
Grabe! Ang linis nun. Pero mas malinis itong susunod.
Corner off the hand of LeBron. Picks up the loose ball behind the back. Just like they do it! You got it, better than jealous! You gotta have eyes in the back of your head! Oh, great memory to make a pass like that!
At kung high IQ moments ang usapan, kailangan natin isali ang ginawa ni Jokic kay LBJ.
Who's the Joker?
Joker talaga tong sila Joker. Mapapabilib naman kaya kayo sa no-look block na ito.
No, not expecting it. Only the second turnover. DeRozan drives. Lost it.
May mata yata ito sa likod. Pero mukhang hindi na kailangan ng mata ni Lamelo sa assist na ito.
LaMelo taps it away from Giannis, and we got another dunk. Mason Plumlee!
At kung sa tingin mo high IQ na yan, mas high IQ pa din ang ginawang ito ni Ben Simmons.
Ball in. He bounced it off the backside of Caldwell. Right back to...
Talagang ginulangan yung defender. Pero tila may iba't ibang klase ng IQ ang mga players. Kagaya na lang ng ginawang ito ni LBJ.
Into the new shot clock. Oh, great no look to Zizic, who puts it home. How about that? Everybody, even myself included, thought that ball was going to Kyle Korver right there.
Pero minsan hindi na acceptable ang ginagawa ng mga players. Tulad na lang ng pagtatagong ginawa ni Marcelo Huertas.
Trying to sneak in. He hit behind post. He actually did.
Sobrang utak. Pero wala yang sinabi sa pagtatagong ginawa ni Jose Alvarado.
It's on the bounce. Here comes Hernan Gomez to lay it in. And the Pelicans get a steal by Alvarado. Couldn't make a pay. Larry Nance Jr. Not known for his three-point shots, but wide open that time. But I tell you what, a lot of times when you're injured, you see an opportunity to work on things in your game. Good job by Jose Alvarado. Jose doing a number on him again. I don't know how many people that he's gonna get with this.
Ibalik naman natin sa 2009 nang si Chauncey Billups ay in-outsmart ang isang Kobe Bryant.
Looking down, Anthony trying to string up some screens. Oh, Paul bounced it off the back, and he banks it in. Kobe Bryant wasn't looking, he bounced it off. And
Sa mentality ni Kobe, malamang nag-practice na yan kung paano sumalo ng bola ng nakatalikod. Pero imagine na lang, sa sobrang galing mo, ay nakagawa ka ng isang pambihirang move.
nope. We've seen that before from Rajon Rondo.
Pero mas nakakabilib pa din ang ginawa ni CP3 kay Rudy Gobert.
Nope. Paul looking to get it from Adams. Makes it himself. No, he didn't. Oh, yes, he did.
Grabe, sobra na yan CP3. Pero tila mas sobra itong si LeBron James.
James up and under, throws it off the backboard. What a perfect pass to himself. You think about it. I don't know how many years ago Michael Jordan made it.
Sobrang talino talaga netong ni LeBron. Pero hindi lang siya ang gumawa niyan. Dahil minsan din itong ginawa ni Jamal Murray.
This one that likes to certainly get his work in is Jamal Murray with a crafty move to bake it off of the glass and then throw it down. So he should let
At balikan naman natin ang panahon na outsmart ni Jokic ang buong team ng San Antonio.
brings it down, goes back up. Jokic. Lyles. What a pass from Jokic. That was nutty. That was absolute bonkers there. Mr. Jokic. He looked like he was in jail.
Pero ang ginawang play ni Tatum at Jaylen Brown sa Rockets ay talaga namang napakatalino.
Tatum hit the rim on the miss intentionally. Loose ball. Brown for the tie. Oh, miracle here. Hey, TD. three-pointer of the ball game and the most important shot for the Celtics, who had suddenly gone cold in the.
At kagaya ng moment na yan, mas classic pa rin ang ginawa ni Westbrook at Steven Adams.
Westbrook about missing the free throw. Misses, gets the rebound. Back out Westbrook. Bang! Russell Westbrook from just inside half court. And it's a one.
Yan ang true definition ng high IQ. Pero nagtataka lang ako, may mas tatalino pa ba sa players na finake ang timeout para maka-score ng easy buckets?
Blazers will call a timeout right here. Andre Miller does it. He fakes the timeout and scores. The Hornets are already to the huddle. That's a good thing. Nathan Phillips smiling in front of us and rolls his eyes and he looks down. But he gives him that freedom. Yeah, if he feels a situation where an opponent
At alam naman natin na ang inbound ay lugar kung saan pwedeng mag-set ng play. Pero bilang defender, dapat maging alisto ka. Dahil kung hindi, ay mauutakan ka. Gaya na lang ni Giannis.
James gets it back. Hits the three. Unbelievable. He's amazing. 118, 116, 39.6 of 10 on.
Grabe talaga tong si LBG. Pero ang ginawa ng Wizards kay Ben Simmons ay talagang high IQ din. Dahil noong 2017, ni-reinvent ng Wizard ang hack-a-shack to hack a Ben Simmons.
This has been done before to Simmons in his career, babe. And other opponents, Milwaukee notably did it a couple years back. And sure enough, here is Simmons at the line in 3 of 8. Team down by 2 and 2:07 in regulation. Like we saw Luka Doncic struggle from the free throw line in that Clipper series. So if he's going to
Napaka-effective ng play na yan. Basta kay Ben Simmons nyo gagawin.